All right, welcome to Entry Level Escape Complimentary Tips. These are quick tips to accelerate your complementary skills. Today's topic, customizing your PowerPoint interface. So you'll notice in tutorials that I put on that my PowerPoint probably doesn't look like your PowerPoint. And so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to customize your ribbon so that you have a similar quick access toolbar that I have. It puts all of the most essential tools right at your fingertips and is going to dramatically help you go faster when you're doing PowerPoint. So it's very simple. First, you're going to go to File. Then you're going to go down to Options. Then that's going to pop up a new menu. Then you're going to go down to where it says Quick Access Toolbar. And then over there to the right, there's an Import Export option. So what you're going to do is you're going to do Import Customization File. Then you're going to want to grab your entry-level escape PowerPoint UX exported UI file. Hit OK. It's going to ask you if you want to replace all, of course. Say yes. And then this box over here, show quick access toolbar below the ribbon. I am a huge fan of this. I think that it makes the user experience much cleaner. So leave that checked. If it's not checked for you, make sure that box is checked. And all you gotta do is hit OK. You'll see here all these beautiful icons giving me access to the most important capabilities that PowerPoint has to offer. So just to give you a quick flavor, I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click on this little box. This is a rectangle object from my PowerPoint slide. Now what I want to do is I want to move it so that it's against the left-hand side of my slide. So what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to go into this paint bucket icon here and I'm going to change it to be dark green just so you can, oh, let's do light green. Let's go with the dark green. Dark green, just so that you can see it, physically see it. Now I can drag it, right? I can click and drag it over to the edge of the PowerPoint. That's very easy, very possible. But maybe I want to get it exactly to the edge without any overhang. Okay, so first option that I can do is I can go to Shape Format up in the menu. And I can go digging around, rummaging around. Oh, align. Okay, align. And then if I do align left, it's going to throw it to the left side of the page. Okay, however, I could also just use my handy dandy toolbar. And this is going to happen all over the place. Let's get off of this object for a second. Let's make a new slide. And all I want to do is I'm going to add a couple of boxes just to show you how powerful this is. So right here, it's in the ribbon. I can make these boxes. Okay. Alternatively, what I'd have to do is I have to go to Insert, Shape, Box. Much longer click path. Okay. Instead, I'm just going to go to my toolbar, click, grab that rectangle, drop it in. Okay. I'm going to make a couple of these. So there's two of them. Now there's three of them. Now there's four of them. Okay. And I'm going to make them a little bit disorganized. All right. That's not very aesthetic. We got some overhang over here to the left. They're all uneven. Okay. So let's say I want to make them all even. So I can click each one, right? And I can go to, I have shape format already open, but I can go to arrange. I can go to align. I can go to align top. Okay, at least they're on the same line vertically. Or I can use my ribbon. Boom. Okay. Not bad. Not bad at all. But I don't like the way that they're currently overlapping. So maybe what I'll do is I'll drag this guy out. Actually, we'll use my ribbon, right? out to the right. I'm going to shrink these guys so that they will fit on the page. It's a quick trick. Teach that in another tutorial. And I'm going to have this guy go all the way to the left. I'm going to have this guy go all the way to the right. See, I'm using my bar, my ribbon. And now I'm going to use this distribute icon. Now they're distributed. Okay, I can do the same thing vertically too. Maybe I'll mess this up a little bit on purpose, but I can do distribute vertically. Boom, beautiful distribution. And that's just moving shapes, right? There's lots of other stuff that they do here. I'm just going to highlight a few. So get some text in there. All right, doesn't mean anything. You'll notice it's center aligned. I don't personally like center alignment my text, so I can left align my text. I can bullet my text. I can unbullet. You have the superscript and strike through there as well. You have bring to front, bring to back over there. Also good, very useful. You can control the rotation. You can control the border thickness. Like I'll put a border on it. You can make the border dotted if you want. I like dotted borders on my stuff. I would thin that border out. That was a little bit too heavy. You can change the position of the text. Okay. Top, middle, bottom. Right. And one that I find extremely useful, especially if I'm doing bullets, is I can modify the line spacing with line spacing options. Right? Put a 6 space, right? I don't have to put a little line in between, right? I can just go right to the line spacing. Okay, then let's go over here. Let's make this guy green. Okay, that's cool. But what I can do is I can move the formatting. So this allows you to pick up the style and then you can put it down. That's not bad, right? Another thing that you can do is when you have a table, so I'll just insert a table real quick, okay, is you get all your table options. So you can add rows to the bottom, add columns, delete rows, and so on. So it's very cool. I think that might actually be a new table. No, it's a merge. So this is the quick access toolbar. There's a few other hidden ones here. You can even add more things to it. But this will allow you to be tremendously faster in PowerPoint. I wanted to share that with you today. A lot of people do not know how to install a custom UX. And so that was the main point of today, was to show you how to install it. So again, it's under File, Options, Quick Access Toolbar, import that customization file, and you're off to the races. So good luck and happy complimentary skill hunting. Take care.